to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you another day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink today. I warned you on Monday that we had a huge imbalance in the order book where there has been an influx of buy orders from 18.4k up to 9k. And it looks like the market maker will grab that liquidity on Friday, and Friday is usually a profit taking day. But is it time to go short? Well, let's find out. Okay, so let's start off by looking at Bitcoin. We have taken this first imbalance in the chart as the market maker has been moving price lower and lower. We had this pump, I think it was last week, where there was a huge volume candle in this area which I talked to you about. But we haven't recovered that yet. And it looks like we're going to recover it sooner rather than later. Because we've had some VIX in this area below 19k. And it looks like there is huge support in this area. And it's about to be broken because Friday is usually a profit taking day. But is it time to go short, as I said in the intro? I believe not. If you're not in a short already, I believe it's time maybe to look at longs, because we have been moving quickly to the upside, trading, and the market maker has been building his shorts up in this area. Above 19.5k, and it looks like he wants to take some profits soon. And yeah, we're moving in this area right now. But when we recover this, look for VIX like we saw this last week. Look for these type of candles, volume candles with huge VIX on the 1 hour chart. Because if you look at the 5-minute chart and 50-minute chart, you will see. Yeah, so this is what the area looked like on the 15-minute time frame. We had a huge volume candle and a lot of VIX in this area, which means that the price is about to reverse. If you look at the 5-minute, then in the same zone where the volume candles formed. Let's drag this all the way here, yeah. And as you can see, a lot of volume stepping in this area. We had a red candle, volume candle here, and we had a green one right here with a huge wick, which indicates that the price is about to reverse. And you want to take a look at that when the market maker moves price down to the 18.4k area. If we have a lot of VIX and a lot of volume candles, red or green, you might want to be placing your longs. As we speak right now, we might be forming one. Wow, what a coincidence. Look at this candle. It's a red candle. So in the next couple of hours, you want to look at VIX, how this closes, and you want to be looking at the lower time frames as well. So we're targeting the 18.5k as the target, because that is where the last volume candle formed, which hasn't been recovered yet. But it looks like we're about to take it. So yeah, as you looking at this video, you might want to do your decisions and might want to place along here. Let's take a quick look at the liquidation map on kingfisher.io. And as you can see, we have a lot more liquidations to the upside than to the downside. However, it's quite low volume. Not a lot of traders stepping in and placing longs or shorts at the moment. But the market maker will try to fool a lot more traders to the downside. As you can see, a lot of shorts has been coming in lately. And the market maker might move price all the way down to 18k or 18.4, which is just a target. And this zone will grow and a lot more shorts will be stepping in. Very late shorts, and that will be a money opportunity for the market maker to reverse price quickly to the 19.5k zone. So yeah, keep a close eye on that. Look for reversals in the chart, which I shown you. VIX and volume candles, that's the key. Now let's take a quick look at some alts, and let's start with Chainlink. This is the Chainlink chart on the 1 hour. And as you can see, wow, the market maker has been moving price to the volume candle, which I shown you during this week. And this was our target. Minimum 6.6. I took some profits on my shorts. And we are might heading to 6.3 in this chart, because that is where the market maker shown his presence in last week. And he moved quickly with volume and aggressively bought a lot of, let's say, shorts. And now he's profiting off of the retail going short, or going long, or in this area. So wow, as you can see, the target has been met in my opinion. And if Bitcoin reverses, we do have a volume candle residing up in this area. So that is one target for you, 7.1 to 7.2 for Chainlink, if you want to play some longs if the price reverses. But look out for what Bitcoin does. I gotta have a look at Quant as well, because wow, all the Moonboys trapped a lot of retail traders. Everybody bought Quant in this area at above 180 and at 200. Wow, that was where the market maker reversed the price. And I told you this move is unsustainable, because we have a lot of volume candles down in this area. And I targeted the 139 zone. And it looks like to me Quant is heading there in the, in the next couple of days, in my opinion, but we never know. Timing is hard, but I ran some shorts up in this area because that was where we formed somewhat of an M formation on the lower time frame, and I went short in this area, and I've been taking profits all the way down because I saw this target as well. And I've closed it because we had a retrace here. We might have one leg down as well. But, you know, quick moves with volume imbalances in the order book always get recovered, and that happened with Quant. So draw off every volume candle you see in the chart, because it always gets recovered. We have one to the downside here, where Quant will move next. So stay tuned for that. So let's summarize. We had a huge imbalance in the order book at the 18.5k area. And as I was recording this video, Bitcoin moved aggressively to this target, and it might be recovered within today. So if you're in shorts, remember to take profits, because that was where the latest volume candle formed. And you saw at Quant, we had an aggressive move with a lot of volume candles in the PVSRA indicator, and it got recovered in the same week, almost, or within a week. That's what I meant to say. Within a week, we recovered that zone, and we're back where we started. So remember that. The PVSRA tool shows where the market maker fools retail, because everybody was going long on Quant, and now we're back and they all liquidated. And point number 2 is we have more liquidation to the upside, a lot of late shorts coming in. People are going short, they see this move to the downside and thinking, wow, it's going to continue down to 14k. No, not. It will at some point, I believe, because I've been saying that a lot on this channel. But we do have moves intraday, and we're gonna have a lot of volatility this coming week, in my opinion. And we have more liquidation to upside. I think it was the 19.2 or 3k area. So if you wanna scalp, that's an interesting target for you. But wait for reversal signs, the wicks and the volume candles. Also, point number 3 is we have the Shemitah crash window up until November 8th, which is in 2 weeks, I believe. And you know, next week we have a lot of news from the Fed, and also it's a lot of things going on between Russia and Ukraine. They have been mobilizing in Russia and Belarus, and you know, they might want to attack soon if they're mobilizing. So be careful. I think we might experience a crash because inflation ain't stopping. And that means cheaper coins, cheaper crypto. So load up your cash bags and deploy it into crypto if you want to get rich. But it's not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do. All of this is just for entertaining and entertainment purposes only. Or educational purposes only. Sorry. Nevertheless, it's Friday. Have a happy Friday. Big Boss out.